welcome to another interesting lesson in science. Today's strand is going to be on forces and energy. And then to be specific, we are going to talk about forces and movement. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to explain force and also know how it causes movement. In the course of the lesson, we will be coming across these keywords. The first keyword is motion. It is the movement from one place to another. That is the movement from one place to another. The next one is position. This is the place where you are or something is. This is my position. This is where I am. Let's review what we learned last week. We learned about energy. What did we say energy is? Energy is the ability to do work. The ability to do work. Without energy, you can't perform any activity. So imagine if I give you a bowl of rice and after eating, you go out with your friends to play at the playground. Just look around you at the playground. What do you see? You see the swing, you see the seesaw, you see the slide, and then of course you see the merry-go-round. So the seesaw, if you and your friend sit on the seesaw, it begins to move. So one goes up and the other goes down. So it goes on like that. So this means you are changing your position. So the movement of you and your friend up and down is what we call motion. Like we're looking at keywords. And then also, if you sit on the swing, what happens? You move back and forth. What about the merry-go-round? It goes round. It goes round. Now, my question to you is, what makes these objects to move? Yes, you need to apply what we call force. So before you move on a swing, someone needs to push you. So your friend pushes you, you move back and forth. Before the merry-go-round goes round, somebody needs to what? Push it round. It's the same as the seesaw. So what do when you are sitting on the seesaw? You push the seesaw up with your legs. Then your friend also pushes it up with the legs, so you'll be moving up and down. Now we can conclude that a force helps us to move things. It helps us in order to move something from one position to another. Now we can conclude that force helps us to move things. Let's see how we can apply force in our daily lives. If I want to move this chair, what do? I place my hands and then I push, or so this is one example. And then also, again, if I want to move this bicycle, what do? I will push the bicycle with my hands away, or I will drag or pull the bicycle backwards. There are lots and a lot of situations where we apply force in order to move objects. look around you and see things that you can apply force by pushing or pulling in order to move them. I'll come your way once again. But for now, I'll say bye-bye.